Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami di sini kelompok 8 yang beranggotakan Sekar Ayuning Rinjani dengan NIM 206121208. Saya Muhammad Yudin Zuhdi 206121214 dan Ermin Wijarti 206121215 akan mempresentasikan hasil diskusi dari kelompok kami, yaitu text making use of your time. Silakan teman-teman bisa menyimak dan memahami apa yang kami sampaikan. Making use of your time. Before you read. A. Look at the title. What do you think the article is about? Answer. The article is about the importance of making the most of time and don't waste the time. B. Think about the following question. 1. Do you organize your time carefully? Answer. I try to manage my time as best I can. 2. Are there good hours and bad hours in your daily schedule? Do you plan your days according to these hours? Answer. There are good hours and bad hours, but it depends on what I do that day. Yes, sometimes I do. 3. What helps you be creative, organizing your time or waiting for inspiration? Actually, managing time is the best way, but I prefer waiting for inspiration. 4. Do you waste time? Do you feel guilty about it? Yes, I do it sometimes and I feel guilty for doing that. C. Skim the article quickly. Pay attention to the first sentence in each paragraph. Which paragraph mention? 1. Example of we waste time. Answer paragraph 1. 2. The way Bob and Alan use their time. Answer paragraph 3. 3. Place of work. Answer paragraph 4. And last, a discipline routine. Answer paragraph 5. D. Vocabulary. This word and phrase will help you understand the text. Character, consequence, creativity, daydream, deal with, deliberately, distract, efficiency, enrich, clean, guilty, illuminate, inspired, intention, liturgy, to neglect, organize, to produce, prosper, to put off, random, regulate, routine, self-discipline, self-employed, styles, system, survive, targets, to waste time. Next, while you read, think about this question. 1. How does the writer think we should use our time? Answer. We must be able to organize and use the time we have, because when we are responsible for organizing our own time, however, we need to draw on our resources and use self-discipline. 2. According to the writer, is it entirely bad to waste time? Answer. Yes, because when we waste our time, the work we have to do becomes delayed and neglected. We all have good intention, but we keep putting off the moment when we must start work. As a result, we begin to feel guilty and then waste even more time wishing we had worked.
After you read A. How much did you understand? 1. What makes many people feel guilty? Because they waste their time. 2. Why is self-discipline important for people who work for themselves? Because such people cannot survive, let alone prosper, unless they organize their time efficiently. 3. Which of the two people manage his time in an organized way? Bob. 4. Describe Alan's workspace. How does it reflect the way he used time? There is no hint of system or order in Alan's workspace. Books and magazines all over the place, some on shelf, some in place on the floor and the table, even some on and under his bed. 5. What is Alan's system for remembering things? He writes things he has to do on the large paper he can find, then he crumples it up and stuffs it into his jacket pocket, where it makes such an enormous bulk that he cannot possibly forget that it is there until he changes his jacket. 6. Which of the two people, Bob or Alan, does the writer think we should imitate? B. Text analysis question. 1. What do the example in paragraph 1 demonstrative? Why did the writer give us all the examples? What do they prove? Everybody was time, they all have good intention, but they keep putting off the moment when they must start work. As a result, they begin to feel guilty and then waste even more time wishing they had work. 2. What does the writer present in paragraph 2 and what function does it serve? What is compare? Why does the writer make this comparison? The writer presents that when someone else is organizing our time for us, as for instance during lesson or working hours. We are part of a discipline because when we are responsible for organizing our own time, however, we need to draw on our own research and use self discipline. 3. What does the writer present in paragraph 3 until 5? What purpose does it serve? The writer presents there are two writers who seem to have learned how to deal with the problem, but in quite different ways. Bob is a very methodical person and Alan works in an inspired exploration. The author has purpose that we can learn that everyone has their own way to develop their potential, so we cannot compare one person to another. 4. Explain this quote in the context on paragraph 3 until 6. But Bob and Alan have managed to organize their lives in such a way that they are able to produce work of very high quality. Paragraph 6, lines 75 until 78. Bob and Alan work in the way that suits his character and it
Close reading. A. Markers. See the skills section, discourse markers, page 139 until 145. Find these in the text and circle the meanings they signal. Instead of paragraph 1, line 3 is in place of. For instance, paragraph 2, line 15 is for example. Moreover, paragraph 4, line 53 is not only that. On the other hand, paragraph 4, line 49 is in contrast. Yet, paragraph 4, line 57 is in addition. All the same, paragraph 6, lines 80 until 81 is despite that. As long as paragraph 6, line 80 is during the time. B. Substitute words. What do the underlined words refer to? Their places of work reflect their styles. Their words refer to Bob and Alan. He now has a new blah 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 system for remembering something. He words refer to Alan. He cannot possibly forget that it is here. He words refer to Alan. Each works in the way that suits his character. Each works in the way that suits his character. Each words refer to works. It seems to be a much better idea. It words refer to spend money on a lunch you could not normally afford. C. Sentence structure. Noun phrases. Look at these noun phrases. In each one, underline the noun and circle the words that describe it. Example, neatly arranged books. Books is the noun and neatly arranged is the words that describe it. Apparently unconnected subject. Subject is the noun and apparently unconnected is the words that describe it. Extremely important self-discipline. Self-discipline is the noun and extremely important is the words that describe it. Wonderfully organized filing system. Filing system is the noun. Sorry. Filing system is the noun and wonderfully organized is the words that describe it. D. Wish plus past perfect to express a wish about something in the past that you cannot change. They begin to feel guilty and then waste even more time wishing they had worked. Paragraph 1, lines 11 until 13. Did they work in the past or not? No. Practice 28. Can you understand sentence with passive verbs? In each sentence, underline the verb and identify it as active or passive. Then match the sentence in A and B. The first one has been done for you. A1. The baby's temperament influences his mother's style of loving. Active C. A2. Elaborate and frequent excuses that may cause problems are sometimes offered. Passive E. A3. An evident physical disability may protect a person from potential failure. Active D. 4. Before the second part of the test, students were asked to report their anxiety symptoms. Passive A. A5. Chronic excuse markers must change their ways of viewing and judging themselves. Active B. BA. Before students took the second part of the test, we asked them to report their anxiety symptoms. Active 4. B. Chronic excuse markers, ways of viewing and judging themselves must be changed. Passive 5. C. The mother's style of loving is influenced by the baby's temperament. Passive 1. D. A person may be protected from a potential failure by an evident disability. Passive 3. E. People sometimes offer elaborate and frequent excuses that may cause problems. Active 2.
Practice 29. Can you find the door of the action? When the effects of yesterday's heavy air pollution were felt by all the inhabitants of the town. The door, all the inhabitants of the town. 2. Negative results have been reported in all cases. The door, all cases. 3. Scientists in many countries are studying this problem. No solution has been found yet. The door, scientists. 4. In one experiment, my college and I recruited students who had earlier shown high levels of test anxiety. The door, my college and I. 5. By taking part in the program, we accept the validity of their student. The door, we. 6. In order to complete a story entertainingly, conflicts on TV are usually solved by action. The door, conflicts on TV. 7. To learn what Americans have been watching, we have been studying the facts of life in the world of network TV. The door, Americans and we. 8. The effects of TV should be measured in terms of immediate change in behavior. The door, the effects of TV.
Practice 30. 1. One particular kind of weapon is brought into schools in the USA every day, degrading words, slurs, and patterns. This kind of weapon is more destructive than we imagine. A. What is brought into the schools every day? Answer: degrading words, slurs, and patterns. B. Does this sentence tell us who brings this into the schools? Answer: no. 2. Educators have not adapted schools to the practical needs of the students. A. What is the grammatical subject of the sentence? Underline it. Educators have not adapted. B. What have educators not done? Answer: adapted schools to the practical needs of the students. C. State the problem beginning with the word given, schools. Answer: schools have not adapted to the practical needs of students. 3. It has been found that if a baby lamb is taken from its mother in the first few hours after birth, the mother often refuses to care for it later. A. What is the new information? Underline it. If a baby lamb is taken from its mother in the first few hours after birth, the mother often refuses to care for it later. B. Does this sentence tell us who discovered this information? Answer: no. C. What sometimes happen to a baby lamb right after birth? Complete the sentence. Somebody will take it from its mother. D. What is the mother reaction? Complete the sentence. She often refuses to care for it. 4. The third group stayed awake the full 14 hours, after which everyone in the group was tested to see how much they remembered. It was found that their recall was just as good as the other groups. A. Who stayed awake the full 14 hours? Answer: the third group. B. Who was tested? Answer: everyone in the group. C. Does the sentence tell us who test them? Answer: not least. D. What was the result of the test? Answer: it was found that the recall was just as good as the other groups. Complete the sentence. The researchers discovered that their group has as good a memory as the other group. 5. Mr. Blake's students were never encouraged to think independently. A. Who was never encouraged to think independently? Answer: Mr. Blake's students. B. What did they never learn to do? Answer: think independently. C. State the problem beginning with the words given. Mr. Blake never encouraged students to think independently. Terima kasih untuk teman-teman semua yang sudah menyimak dan mendengarkan. Bila ada kurangnya, kami mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.